Have you ever wondered why your internet is sluggish or why your data usage seems unusually high? The culprit might be unauthorized devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. Unauthorized access can slow down your connection, expose your personal data, and even lead to security breaches. To protect your network and ensure it's only used by trusted devices, it's crucial to check who is connected. Here's how you can easily monitor your Wi-Fi network and safeguard your connection. 1. Access your router's settings by opening a web browser and entering your router's IP address, which is often found on the router itself or in the manual. Log in with your admin credentials. 2. Navigate to the section labeled Connected Devices or Device List. This section shows all devices currently connected to your network. 3. Review the device list. Check for any unfamiliar or suspicious devices. Each device will have an IP address and sometimes a device name or MAC address. 4. If you spot any unknown devices, block them or change your Wi-Fi password to prevent further unauthorized access. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. 5. Regularly check your connected devices and update your network security settings to keep your Wi-Fi safe and running smoothly. By following these steps, you can protect your Wi-Fi network from unauthorized access and enjoy a faster, more secure internet experience. Subscribe for more tech tips and security advice to keep your digital life safe and efficient.